Hi guys, adding a water flosser to your dental hygiene routine can help keep your teeth clean by removing food particles and bacteria. Water flossers work by emitting a jet of water under pressure through a narrow tip or nozzle. The water jet is directed between the teeth to dislodge debris and food particles from that space. If you're searching for the best water flossers for your needs, we've highlighted some of the top 5 countertop and cordless models below. So, let's get started. Number 5, D52 Oral Irrigator USB Rechargeable Water Flosser. This water flosser is here with the 75% price off. Now you can get it at around $16. Maintaining optimal oral hygiene goes beyond regular brushing and flossing. Introducing the D52 Oral Irrigator Water Flosser, an innovative dental tool designed to elevate your oral care routine to new heights. With features like USB rechargeability, a portable design, a generous water tank capacity for cleaning modes, and waterproof construction, this water jet offers a comprehensive solution for achieving cleaner and healthier teeth and gums. Let's explore the features and benefits of the D52 Oral Irrigator Water Flosser and discover why it's an essential addition to your dental care arsenal. Customizable cleaning modes. The D52 Oral Irrigator Water Flosser offers 4 cleaning modes, allowing you to customize your dental cleaning experience to suit your individual needs. Whether you prefer a gentle clean for sensitive gums or a more intense mode for deep cleaning and plaque removal, this water flosser provides versatility and flexibility for a personalized oral care routine. USB rechargeable for convenience. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. The D52 Oral Irrigator Water Flosser features USB rechargeability for added convenience. Simply recharge the device using any USB power source, such as a laptop, power bank, or USB adapter, ensuring hassle-free usage wherever you go. Portable design for on-the-go use. Whether you're on a business trip, vacation, or simply heading to the gym, this compact and lightweight water flosser fits easily into your bag or suitcase, ensuring that you can maintain your oral hygiene routine wherever you are. Generous water tank capacity. Equipped with a spacious 300 ml water tank, the D52 Oral Irrigator Water Flosser provides ample water for extended use without the need for frequent refills. Number 4, LISM Oral Irrigator Tooth Scaler 5-Speed Water Flosser. This water flosser is here with the 73% price off. Now you can get it at around $22. In the pursuit of optimal oral hygiene, traditional brushing and flossing may not always be enough to maintain a healthy smile. With features like adjustable speed settings, a portable design, a generous water tank capacity, and waterproof construction, this dental water jet offers a thorough and convenient solution for achieving cleaner and healthier teeth and gums. Let's delve into the features and benefits of the LISM Oral Irrigator Tooth Scaler and discover why it's a must-have addition to your oral care arsenal. Customizable speed settings. The LISM Oral Irrigator Tooth Scaler features 5 speed adjustment settings, allowing you to customize your dental cleaning experience according to your preferences and oral health needs. Whether you prefer a gentle clean for sensitive gums or a more intense clean for stubborn plaque and tartar buildup, the adjustable speed settings ensure a personalized and effective cleaning experience. Portable design for on-the-go use. With its compact and portable design, the LISM Oral Irrigator Tooth Scaler is perfect for travel and on-the-go use. Whether you're jetting off on a business trip, going on vacation, or simply heading to the gym, this dental water jet easily fits into your bag or suitcase, ensuring that you can maintain your oral hygiene routine wherever you are. Generous water tank capacity. Whether you're completing your entire oral care routine or sharing the device with family members, the large capacity ensures uninterrupted cleaning for ultimate convenience. IPX6 waterproof rating. Constructed with IPX6 waterproof materials, the LISM Oral Irrigator Tooth Scaler is designed to withstand exposure to water and moisture, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. The next is Number 3, Dental Oral Irrigator Water Flosser Water Flosser. This water flosser is here with the 65% price off. Now you can get it at around $17. Maintaining optimal dental hygiene goes beyond brushing and traditional flossing. Enter the Dental Oral Irrigator Water Flosser, a cutting-edge device designed to elevate your oral care routine to new heights. With features like multiple nozzles, customizable modes, USB rechargeability, and a generous water tank capacity, this innovative mouth-washing machine ensures a thorough and effective clean for your teeth and gums. Let's explore the features and benefits of the Dental Oral Irrigator Water Flosser and discover why it's an essential addition to your dental care arsenal. Efficient oral irrigation. The Dental Oral Irrigator Water Flosser employs the power of water pressure to dislodge plaque and debris from between teeth and along the gum line. This advanced technology reaches areas that traditional brushing and flossing may miss, resulting in a deeper clean and improved gum health. Versatile nozzle options. Equipped with 5 interchangeable nozzles, including a thread teeth pick, this water flosser offers versatile cleaning options for your dental needs. Whether you're targeting specific areas, dealing with dental work, or looking for a gentle clean, the varied nozzles ensure a customized experience tailored to your preferences. Customizable modes for personalized cleaning. With 3 modes to choose from: gentle, standard, and intensive, the Dental Oral Irrigator Water Flosser allows you to tailor your cleaning experience to your individual needs. Whether you require a mild clean for sensitive gums or a more vigorous clean for stubborn plaque, the adjustable modes provide versatility and flexibility. Convenient USB rechargeability. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. The Dental Oral Irrigator Water Flosser features USB rechargeability for added convenience. The next is Number 2, Fairywill Water Flossers Teeth 300 Water Flosser. This water flosser is here with the 74% price off. Now you can get it at around $17. In the pursuit of optimal oral health, traditional brushing and flossing may not always suffice. That's where water flossers come into play, offering a more effective and convenient alternative to traditional flossing. With features like a large water tank, rechargeable capability, portable design, multiple modes, and waterproof construction, Fairywill water flossers provide a superior clean for your teeth and gums. Let's delve into the features and benefits of Fairywill water flossers and discover why they're a must-have addition to your oral care arsenal. Effective oral irrigation. Fairywill water flossers utilize the power of water pressure to remove plaque and debris from between teeth and along the gum line. This technology is highly effective at reaching areas that traditional brushing and flossing may miss, resulting in a more thorough clean and improved gum health. Large water tank capacity. Equipped with a generous 300 ml water tank, Fairywill water flossers offer extended usage time without the need for frequent refills. This ample capacity ensures that you can complete your entire oral care routine without interruption, providing convenience and efficiency. Rechargeable and portable. Forget about dealing with disposable batteries. Fairywill water flossers feature rechargeable batteries for added convenience. Simply recharge the device using the included USB cable, and you're ready to go. Additionally, their compact and portable design makes them perfect for travel, allowing you to maintain your oral hygiene routine wherever you go. Multiple modes for customized cleaning. Whether you prefer a gentle clean, a standard mode for everyday use, or a more intense mode for deep cleaning, these devices provide versatility and customization for a personalized dental care experience. The next is Number 1, Mornwell Portable Oral Irrigator Water Flosser. This water flosser is here with the 64% price off. Now you can get it at around $21. Introducing the Mornwell Portable Oral Irrigator, a convenient and effective solution designed to elevate your oral hygiene routine wherever life takes you. With its compact design, USB rechargeability, multiple nozzles, generous water tank capacity, and waterproof construction, this oral irrigator is the perfect travel companion for achieving a healthier smile on the go. Let's explore the features and benefits of the Mornwell Portable Oral Irrigator and discover why it's a must-have addition to your oral care arsenal. Compact and portable design. The Mornwell Portable Oral Irrigator boasts a sleek and compact design, making it perfect for travel and on-the-go use. Whether you're jetting off on a business trip, embarking on a weekend getaway, or simply heading to the gym, this oral irrigator fits effortlessly into your bag or suitcase, ensuring that you can maintain your oral hygiene routine wherever you are. USB rechargeability for convenience. Say goodbye to the hassle of disposable batteries. The Mornwell Portable Oral Irrigator features USB rechargeability for ultimate convenience. Simply connect it to any USB power source, such as a laptop, power bank, or USB adapter, to recharge its internal battery. Multiple nozzles for versatile use. Equipped with 5 interchangeable nozzles, the Mornwell Portable Oral Irrigator offers versatile use for the entire family. Whether you're looking for a standard nozzle for everyday use, a periodontal nozzle for targeting gum health, or a tongue cleaner for fresher breath, this oral irrigator has you covered. Generous water tank capacity. Despite its compact size, the Mornwell Portable Oral Irrigator features a generous 200 ml water tank capacity, allowing for extended use without the need for frequent refills. So this is the best option for you to buy.